Hey everyone, if you're planning a trip to Hong Kong but want to stay somewhere a little more peaceful and away from the city's hustle and bustle, you might want to check out Urbanwoods Hotel in Hung Hom, Kowloon. Let me show you why this place is a hidden gem for travelers looking for both comfort and convenience. Urbanwoods offers the perfect balance, a calm, quiet location that's still super accessible to the city. It's just a 10-minute walk to Homanton MTR station, making it easy to hop on a train and get wherever you need to go. Plus, there are buses nearby for even more transportation options. Now, let's talk about the room. The rates are very reasonable. We paid about 1,100 HKD per night for a family of 4 people. And for the price, the room is spacious, comfortable, and perfect for families. Another great perk, breakfast is included for 2. It's a great way to start your day before you head out to explore. You'll still find plenty to do in the neighborhood. There are restaurants, markets, and even 7-Elevens just around the corner, making it easy to grab a bite or pick up anything you need. The service here is excellent. The staff is friendly and always happy to help, and housekeeping makes sure your room is always clean and ready. They also provide free drinking water daily, which is a nice touch. What's great about staying here is the safe, quiet neighborhood. It's a peaceful area where you can unwind after a busy day of sightseeing, and best of all, it's away from the noisy crowds of central Hong Kong. So if you're looking for a family-friendly, affordable place that's close to public transportation and has all the comforts you need, Urbanwoods Hotel in Hung Hom should definitely be on your list. Thanks for watching. I highly recommend this place if you want a peaceful yet convenient stay in Hong Kong. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and reviews. Until next time, happy travels!